Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen creations. On today's episode we're going to make pozole, which is a Mexican stew. It is hearty and delicious. As you can see, all my ingredients are in front of me. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. For this recipe, I am using 8 pounds of pork butt with the bone in. Just make sure that you save the bones for the broth, okay guys? And also I like to cut the pork into cubes, just like so. Make sure you wash your meat before adding it to the pot. I'm going to season with chicken bouillon, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Stir those in. Make room for the pork bone and place that in. And of course, it is seasoned as well. Now place your pot on the stove over medium heat. We're not going to add any water at this time because I want to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes so all the seasoning can penetrate the meat. So go ahead and cover and allow it to do its thing. While I'm just cooking, we're going to prep our chilies. I have about 20 guajillo chilies and 3 ancho chilies. Go ahead and clean them and devein and remove all the seeds. After 20 minutes, this is how it's looking. Now go in with your chilies, 1 medium onion, add 4 bay leaves, and 10 cloves of garlic. Now add 10 cups of water. Now go ahead and place your lid and allow the peppers to cook for about 15 minutes. After your chilies has gotten nice and soft, after 15 minutes, go ahead and place them into a blender. After removing the chilies, go in with the strainer and remove some of the impurities. Here are some of the impurities I was able to remove from the stew. After removing the impurities, go ahead and place 2 cups of the broth in the blender. Place the lid halfway and allow it to cook for another hour. Next, add half an onion to the blender and 8 garlic cloves. Now blend it until it is completely smooth. After an hour, come back and remove the onion and the garlic cloves. After removing your onion and garlic, take your strainer and pour your chilies in here. After straining it, this is how it will look. You can go ahead and throw this paste away. Next, open 2 cans of hominy. Rinse. After adding in your blended mixture, go in with your hominy. Give that a stir. Ooh, that looks so delicious, guys. After giving that a stir, go in with some more chicken bouillon, cumin, black pepper, a little bit of salt for taste, and some Mexican oregano. Give it another stir. Cover it halfway and allow it to simmer for another hour. Hello guys, my pozole is finally ready and I'm a complete mess as you can see, but it was totally worth it. I love to top this with some shredded lettuce, some diced onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime, and I cannot wait to enjoy it. That is the best pozole I've ever made, okay? With just some simple ingredients, you'll have the perfect stew. Yes, it is time consuming, but it is worth it. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.